Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create subtasks for your tasks on GanttPro in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your project on GanttPro and open up the Gantt view, for example. And here to the left, you will see that list of all tasks. So some tasks can be expanded. For example, if they contain subtasks, you will see, if that's the case, you will see that plus button to the left, and that is going to give you the overview of these subtasks. So if you'd like to add a subtask to one of your tasks here, guys, what you need to do is click into these three dots here to the right of the corresponding task. We go with that one here and select add a subtask. And then you will see the same collapse and expand button here. So let me name that subtask here, subtask number 2. Press enter or click into the checkmark button, and there you go. Now you have the same structure as here, and you can customize these subtasks by double clicking into them the same way you would do with normal tasks through the task customization menu here to the right. And that's basically it, guys. You will see also the subtasks listed here on your Gantt view and in other views as well. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.